Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am SammyJayne. If you are new here and you just clicked on this video, then thank you for clicking. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you can watch my future videos. So today's video is going to be another uncut, raw, unedited, just as it is video. It's only going to be a short one. And I'm going to be painting my nails with nail varnish, actual nail varnish, not gel polish. We're going old school and we're using nail varnish. This one here is called Antisocial Climber by Nails Inc. London. And it's this beautiful nudie pinky colour. And then I've got this one as well, which is by Bourjois. And it's, what's it called? Where does it say the name of this one? I don't think it says the name of this one, but anyway, it's really pretty. This is what I've got on these nails here. I need to go over these bits because I forgot that it was just nail varnish, and basically, cut a long story short, I got a little bit of acetone on it and totally forgot that it was going to completely melt it away. So that's what happened there. So this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to pause it while I wait for layers to dry and stuff because we don't want to be sat here all day. But yeah, let's just go in. I'm going to go in with this one first. It is really, really good. I tried a different one earlier from Primark, and it was so streaky and horrible, but this is actually really easy to work with, she says, hopefully. It's just really difficult to get it in shot for you guys because I really could do with it not running into my cuticle, but I can't do it and get it in shot. I feel like my hands are shaking a little bit as well, which is a bit annoying. One thing to remember with nail varnish as well, if you get it on the cuticle, it's even once they've all, you can wait for it all to be totally dried and then really easily go back in with some nail varnish remover and get it off. So it's actually easier in that sense than gel polish, but dries a lot quicker, which makes it difficult to apply neatly. But I will say this is one of the ones that are more easy to do. Just don't leave it too long or it will start to streak when it starts to dry. And for me as well, I would say when you're using nail varnish, make sure you have got enough on your brush. With gel polish, we like to work thin. I'm not saying apply it thick, but if you go in with a really little bit and then you need to dip in and get more, it's just going to dry and then start to streak because it literally starts to dry so quickly. The one I was trying before I tried this one was really bad. This has got quite a good gel look to it, I think, this one. I hope I'm in shot, you guys. I'm sorry if I'm not. It's got a nice size brush as well. I feel like I could do a little nail varnish review for you guys. Okay, that'll have to do for that one, because if I start going in now and trying to change it, it's going to start to go all streaky and horrible. So what I do with my nail varnish is I put it under the UV lamp, and it does help it to dry a little bit quicker. But I'm going to do that and let it dry for a few minutes and then go back in with the next coat. So that's one coat done. I'm now going to go in with the second coat. Am I in shot, guys? I'm so sorry if I'm not. I do find that this kind of levels itself out as well, which is pretty funky. So I'm going to leave the ring finger because that one I'm going to go in with the glitter. Oh no. See, I didn't use enough there and now I'm having to go back in. And now it's going to be a bit streaky. I can't remember if I did. I think I only did 2 coats on the other hand. I feel like I might need to do 3 on this. I can't actually remember if I'm honest, so don't quote me. No, yeah, maybe I did do 3 actually. I'm going to go in and do another one, I think, because it does look a little bit streaky. And then, so what I'm going to do now with this one is I'm going to just do glitter. I was going to do a glitter fade, but then I remembered with it being nail varnish, it's not quite as easy to fade it down because the nail varnish isn't going to be 100% dry. It's only really like a gentle touch dry. This nail varnish is so nice. And you really could use it with so many different colours. How nice is that? If it will focus. I think it's focusing on my ring. That's so nice. I love it. And then the same with a thumb. And I just did the one coat of this. Because I think that was enough. Because I didn't want it to be mega opaque. I wanted you to still be able to see the colour underneath. But you could do 2 coats and build up that glitter so it's got more glitter to it. Actually, 2 coats might be enough. I think my nails are probably not perfect. Like, I want you guys to see. I think my nails are probably not perfectly smooth underneath because I have got acrylic overlay over the top. I will actually talk to you guys about that when we finish the nails and just go over why I'm doing this. But I'm going to pop that under the light just to give it a bit of an oomph for the drying. So I am going to go back in and just do one more coat on these nails. I do find that it does level out slightly, which is really good. This finger will not, it's not happening. It's fine. These are only going to be on for one night. But I'm going to explain all of this in a minute to you all. So that will do. They're not perfect, they're not amazing, but I'm going to put that back in the UV just to give it a quick drying power, and then I will speak to you in a second, guys. Okay guys, so I didn't mention this in the beginning, but these are actually my engagement party nails. So it's my engagement party tonight, and this is the nails that I'm going to be wearing. I just thought they were really, really cute. I very, very rarely take it simple or take it nude. I always do really bright colours and really like, you know, funky things, and I thought I'm going to keep it nice and delicate and pretty. So this is the set that I decided to do. Now, with this, the issue with nail varnishes, these are going to take, like, they're probably just about touch dry now to the gentlest touch. However, if they get knocked or touched hard, they will smudge and din and just be a total mess. So you literally do need to wait like an hour to 2 hours before they're going to be properly dried. That's the only issue with nail varnish. As long as you do it at a time where you can then go and maybe go watch a movie or whatever, then you're all right. What you could do though is put a gel top coat over this, and they'd be absolutely fine, and then they would just be like gel, and they'd be dried straight away, and they're just like gel. You just have to make sure that they're just about touch dry before you put the gel on, or it will crinkle underneath. But yes, and the reason why I'm not going to be doing that, now normally I would put a nail varnish top coat, which I would recommend. If you're doing this at home, put a nail varnish top coat over the top. The only reason why I'm not is just because I'm going to be taking these off after tonight. These are only for tonight, and it's because I have actually got a job in a hospital, and I'm not allowed to wear nail varnish. I'm not allowed to have fake nails or anything like that, which I'm so sad about. But these are my natural nails, and they've got an acrylic overlay over the top. So all I've done is put an acrylic overlay over the top. So after my party, I'm going to take the nail varnish off and make my nails short, and that'll be it. But yeah, I mean, I can use nail varnish because I can use that for like the weekend or if I've got a few days where I'm not going to be working, I can do my nails just with nail varnish, but they're not going to be long anymore either. They're going to be short. I'm so sad. But it's all good, and it's to do a job that I really want to do, so it's all good. But yeah, I just wanted to explain why I've decided to do this. You might be thinking, why haven't I gone all out for like my engagement? But I actually start on Monday, so after the weekend I have to take these off. So yeah, so that is why, that is my reasoning behind it. I just wanted to give you guys one more tip. Oh, I'm gonna have to be so careful that I don't smudge my nails now, it's so bad. But this is the Avon Liquid Freeze Quick Dry Spray. I actually do quite like this, so I'm going to actually spray this now. And you just spray it on your nails, and it sort of helps them to dry. Don't do it when your nails are totally are like just freshly wet, because it tends to like, those baubles will like stick in it. But they should be dry enough now that this will just wipe off. But I just spray it and then just leave it. You can buy other nail varnish like spray, like drying enhancer things, but this is the Avon one, and I really like this, so it's the one I use at the moment. So yeah, I just thought I would tell you guys about that. If anyone's interested, you can get that from your local Avon rep. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We got it just over 10 minutes, so yeah, that's all good. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please feel free to ask me any questions you might have, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.